What's good, Ocean Squad? It's me, 3WP Rashad, and today I'm about to get a haircut. Now look, y'all, check this out, alright? I've been Wolfin for 4 weeks. Now, I could go a week or two longer, but I'm just gonna chop it off today. Let me show y'all my progress real quick. Let's get this haircut. I'm running kind of late, man. I gotta make this appointment. Let me show y'all my progress real quick. This is what my progress is looking like. It's looking cool. My hair is laid down, right? It's laid down really well, in my opinion. But check this out. I really should woof another week or two because of the simple fact that I can. So if I want to give y'all a quick tip before I head to go get my haircut so I don't miss this appointment, if you feel like you can woof longer easily, then I suggest you do it, especially if you're a beginner. Go ahead and woof that extra week or two and be sure to get that constant brush work in every single day throughout the extra weeks that you're woofing. That's going to really take you to that next level if you've been struggling. Alright, y'all, boost the like button, subscribe. I'm about to go make this freaking appointment.
Where was they at when we was gone? When we was working on these songs? Where was they at? When we was out here in the zone? When we was sipping on the Patron, yeah. Where was they at when we was gone? When we was working on these songs? When we was out here in the zone? When we was
And you won't believe these freaking results that I have unearthed after only 4 weeks of woofing. Let's look at it, y'all. Y'all ain't gonna believe this. Somebody gonna cry in the car.
You gonna cry in the car.
This what it's looking like, Ocean Squad. That's crazy, right? That's crazy to me, Ocean Squad. After you get a fresh haircut, you should be focused on bettering your weak spots. This means you need to go straight home, pass go. Don't collect $200. Or you could collect $200, bro. But look, go straight to the freaking mirror. Have this in your hand too. You know what I'm saying? And you need to put that brush work in. Identify your weak spots. My weak spot, let me show y'all where it's at. Now, it's not looking like I got many weak spots after I've seen all this progress. You know what I'm saying? But look, I do got a weak spot, and it's my crown area. Now, for me, if I wanted to do some damage and get some better progress, I would need to hop on my mirror with my CMB brush and take corrective action in this area. Boom. If you got a weak spot on your side, that's what you need to be focusing on. If you got some forks that you always wanted to break, that's what you need to be focusing on. Alright? And you might as well set a goal that you're going to focus on that weak spot for the whole week leading up to after your fresh haircut. So you got your fresh haircut. Now for the rest of the week, you got to be paying attention to your weak spot, bettering it. Now, you need another game plan, all right? It's longer than just the first week. You gotta think about the second week after your fresh haircut. if you're not sleeping with the do-rag on to this second week, then you slacking big time. I don't know what to say to you, man. I throw a C&B brush at you, just boom. All right, bro. You gotta cut that out. You need your do-rag. I got a do-rag right here. I got 2 do-rags right here, bro. You see what I'm saying? I got the Young Silky, and then I got the Young 3WP Velvet, blue and white. Like, bro, this ain't no game. That's week 2. Major brush work, working on them weak spots. Now, week 3, you enter your Wolfin stage right here, all right? Hey, by week 3, you need to make sure you didn't miss no days brushing, bro. If you missed a day or 2 brushing in that 3-week period from your fresh cut, then I'm sorry, bro, to tell you, but you're not that serious. And you're gonna wonder why your progress ain't looking good in that next cut. And that's the reason why you've been slacking. So remember this tip right here, bro. Week 1, make sure you focus on that weak spot. Week 2, make sure you sleeping with that do-rag on every day. Week 3, make sure you didn't miss no days off. Now, when you get to week 4, you need to be sure that your waves have been kept nice and laid from the day you got your fresh haircut up until week number 4. The way you do that is by combining all the stuff I just said. Working on your weak spot mean you're gonna be getting plenty of brush work in. Sleeping with your do-rag on every night, that's gonna ensure that your hair stays laid down, all right? You're not gonna overcurl if your waves have been kept laid down all night. It's just a fact, bro. If you freaking sleeping with your silky do-rag on every single night and you getting in brush work every single day, bro, it's no excuse for you to overcurl at 4 weeks. I don't care how much of a beginner you are. I'm lying. You could overcurl if you're a real beginner. But man, if you've been doing this for a minute, if you got like the top in, you got the sides kind of in, you should not be overcurling at 3-4 weeks, bro. Keep your do-rag on at night. Alright? Don't just say, oh, you know what? Man, I'm about to just not sleep with it on tonight, bro. I slept with it on every night before then. Like, don't be like, oh, one night ain't gonna hurt. Yes, one night's gonna hurt, bro. Cause one night turned into 2 nights and 2 nights turned into 3 nights. Come on, Santa Claus know when you sleeping and he know when you not sleeping. But yeah, man, this just was a quick video, y'all. I'm dropping a video every week in February, and I guess this could be the first one. But yeah, see y'all next week, and I'm going live in a few days, so make sure you subscribe and turn on channel notifications. I just want to show y'all my progress after the haircut. I hope this motivated y'all. Boost that like button for me. I'm gonna see y'all my beginners 2019 method. Make sure you subscribe for that. And we're gonna take over 2019 Ocean Squad, and I'm going to New York soon. So if you live in New York, stay tapped in with me, because I'm gonna be out there, alright? And I'm gonna have some brushes for y'all and some do-rags. Anyways, Ocean Squad, I'm gonna see y'all in my next video in a couple days. Going live. I'm out. Deuces.